നമ്മുടെ പ്രോബ്ലം ഇതാണ്. A sample of 100 students is taken from a large population. The mean height of the student in this sample is 160 centimeter. Can it be reasonably regarded that in the population mean height is 165 centimeter and standard deviation 10 centimeter? 1% level of significance is given. In this case, this n is equal to 100. 100. This is a large sample. N is equal to 100 is a large sample. Then the mean height of the student in this sample mean x bar is equal to 160. X bar is equal to 160. Then can it reasonably regard that in the population? Population mean mu is equal to 165. 165. Then population standard deviation sigma is equal to 10. These are the quantities are given here. First we decide the null hypothesis. The first point, h naught mu. Can it reasonably regard that in the population mean height is 165 centimeter? Therefore, the null hypothesis is h naught is equal to 165. 165. Then second point, contrary to h naught null hypothesis, that is alternative hypothesis, h1 mu not equal to 165. Can it be reasonably regarded that in the population mean height is 165 centimeter? Therefore, alternative hypothesis we taken as h1 mu not equal to 165. Then level of significance, 1% level of significance. That means 99% confidence level. Therefore, Z alpha by 2 is equal to 99%. Z alpha by 2 value will be 2.58. 2.58. Then we calculate test static Z is equal to x bar minus mu by sigma by root n. We calculate the value Z is equal to x bar minus mu by sigma by root n. That is Z is equal to x bar is equal to 160 minus mu is equal to 165 divided by sigma is equal to 10 divided by root of n. Root of 100, that is equal to 10. Therefore, the answer will be minus 5. Z is equal to minus 5. Then we take mod Z. Then mod Z is equal to 5. Here mod Z greater than Z alpha. The value of mod Z is equal to 5 greater than 2.58. Therefore, we can reject the hypothesis h naught. We reject the hypothesis. We reject the hypothesis, reject h naught. Reason, 5 greater than 2.58. Mod Z greater than Z alpha by 2. Z alpha by 2. Therefore, we reject h naught and accept h1. That is, our conclusion is that it is not statistically assumed that. That is, it is not statistically assume that mu is equal to 165. 165. Therefore, we cannot consider mean height is 165 centimeter. This is the answer.